welcome back to another episode of Get AI. This is where we break down the world of artificial intelligence into clear, actionable insights. This is episode 5, AI What, Why, and How. In our previous episodes, we laid the groundwork by discussing the basics of AI: machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and foundation models. Today, we're going to connect the dots, exploring why AI transformation is absolutely essential if you want to stay ahead and how you can start putting these tools to work right now. Let's do a quick recap of the past episodes. AI systems are designed to mimic human cognitive functions. Machine learning is a process where algorithms learn from data without explicit instructions. Deep learning is a specialized branch that uses neural networks modeled on the human brain, leading to breakthroughs like image and speech recognition. Generative AI is pretty fascinating. It has the capability to create text, images, and even music from scratch. Imagine a world where AI can write novels, paint masterpieces, or compose symphonies all on its own. Foundational models are the key here. They provide robust, scalable systems that set the stage for all these incredible applications. These models are the backbone of modern AI, enabling a wide range of functionalities. Let's take a quick look at some engaging examples, from chatbots that can hold a conversation to image generators that create stunning visuals, and recommendation engines that suggest exactly what you need. AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. So, why is all this important? The answer is simple. AI is transforming the way we work, live, and compete in a rapidly evolving landscape. Think about the tedious tasks you perform every day. AI has the power to automate these repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for creative and strategic work. For instance, data driven operations and forecasting can be significantly enhanced when you integrate AI into your workflows. As NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang recently said, every single enterprise in every industry is starting to work on AI. It's not just a technology, it's the way of doing business today. This isn't hype, it's a seismic shift in efficiency and productivity. Consider workflow automation platforms like Zapier, N8N, and Make. These tools are already helping businesses automate routine operations, streamline processes, and even handle customer service, saving time and money. And while you are learning, companies are investing billions in AI research to push these boundaries further. AI transformation isn't only about cutting cost or boosting productivity. It's about staying competitive. In today's fast-paced market, if you're not leveraging AI, you risk falling behind. As noted by tech pioneer Jack Ma, AI will change everything, but it does not mean it can dictate everything. It's up to us to create something truly valuable in this new era. Recent studies and expert surveys suggest that a significant percentage of work tasks, especially those done by office workers, could be automated. And with the figure like 80% of the US workforce potentially affected by AI driven automation, it's clear that embracing AI isn't an option anymore. It's essential. Now that we understand what AI is and why it's so crucial, let's explore how you can start using it today. Workflow automation is one of the most tangible ways to put artificial intelligence to work in your business or daily operations. Platforms like Zapier, N8N, and Make allow you to connect various apps and services without the need to extensive coding skills. Imagine automating your email marketing, scheduling, data backups, and even social media posts, all with the push of a button. These tools are not just for tech giants. They're accessible to small businesses, freelancers, and anyone looking to optimize their routine tasks. As we have seen, the practical application of AI in automating workflows is already transforming industries, from customer service to supply chain management. Furthermore, integrating these AI tools helps build a culture of continuous learning. As you experiment with automation and see immediate benefits, you will not only boost your productivity but also cultivate the skills needed to navigate an increasingly AI driven world. And remember, while AI might seem complex, its applications are very practical. By taking small steps like automating part of your workflow today, you're preparing yourself for the larger AI transformation that will define the future. So let's go ahead and take the small steps today. As we wrap up today's episode, let's focus on the key takeaway. If you want to stay ahead, you need to embrace AI transformation and invest in AI education. That's what we are doing through this channel. AI leadership and innovation. Leaders like Geoffrey Hinton and Yoshua Bengio have emphasized the dual nature of AI, its immense potential as well as the risks. And innovators like Yann LeCun reminds us that breakthroughs are on the horizon. If we want to build things like domestic robots and fully autonomous cars, we need systems that understand the real world. These voices aren't just talking about technology, they are shaping the future. So, ask yourself, are you prepared for a future where AI doesn't just assist you, but becomes an integral part of how you work and compete? Whether you're a business leader or a tech professional or simply someone who wants to be future ready, understanding and leveraging AI is your best bet to stay ahead. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest episode. Let us know in the comments how you're planning to integrate AI into your work and life. Until next time, keep learning and keep transforming.